Visuals on our screen as we can see the Prime Minister there, celebrating Yoga Day. As we can see, the Prime Minister also has gone on to say that global leaders discuss yoga with him. It's part of the daily life as far as millions are concerned. It's popular across the globe. And Saudi Arabia has also introduced yoga in their education curriculum. 1.5 crore people have become yoga practitioners. Tourists come to India to learn authentic yoga, and yoga is not just boosting tourism, but it's also helping in generating jobs. Yoga helps connect us with ourselves and also boost our mental health. It's been incorporated in space training, and it also boosts productivity while boosting positivity. So that is what the Prime Minister said. The Prime Minister has also gone on to say that the International Yoga Day has completed a historic journey of 10 years. In 2014, I proposed International Yoga Day at the United Nations, is what the Prime Minister said. This proposal by India was supported by 177 nations, and this was a record in itself. And since then, Yoga Day has been creating new records, and that is what is being reiterated as far as Union Minister Kiren Rijiju is concerned. He has said a new record is being created as people in large numbers are practicing yoga. The world has accepted yoga. Yoga is India's gift to the world, is what Kiren Rijiju has said in order to mark the 10th International Yoga Day. We have with us Ishika joining us from Delhi. We also have Arun joining us from Mumbai. Let's just go across to my colleagues. First, over to Anuj joining us from Mumbai. Anuj, take us through, we do know that the Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister are going to be celebrating Yoga Day, the event that started early this morning at Marine Drive. Take us through who all are there. Have the VIPs and the dignitaries, have they, started with their yoga celebration? We can see on our screens right now the Prime Minister doing yoga. Of course, it makes me want to actually start doing yoga as well. This is very, very infectious when we see it's very, of course, we do know yoga is very, very beneficial to the body and the mind and the soul. It is very, very addictive as well in order to lead a very healthy life. Take us through what's happening in Mumbai.
Yeah, so in Mumbai, the program here on at Marine Drive began early in the morning at 6 a.m. where we could see a lot of people came, and it actually ended half an hour ago. It was an early morning program which was supposed to be attended by the Chief Minister of the state, Mr. Eknath Shinde, and the Deputy Chief Minister, that is Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. But of course, because of their commitments, they were not able to make it to the program. But the star attraction of the program was a Bollywood celebrity, Jackie Shroff. There were a lot of people who attended the program, and then it had gained a lot of interest from the onlookers as well. They were taken through different practices and stages of yoga, and they were taught about the basics, and then of course about the complicated events and the complicated activities in yoga. Although the event might have ended half an hour ago, but Marine Drive is one of those places where people, where Mumbaikars come to exercise. They whoever prioritizes their physical and mental health, they come here on regular basis, regardless of what occasion it is. And as you can see, I'm joined with a few Mumbaikars here who are here on the occasion of Yoga Day, and they'll be there, of course, exercising, and also we'll try and understand from them what is the significance of the day for them. तो आप मुझे सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि आप कितने सालों से योगा करती हैं?
मैं 3 साल से योगा कर रही हूँ।
तो आपको योगा आपने क्यों स्टार्ट किया करना?
योगा मैंने इसलिए स्टार्ट किया, लॉकडाउन में मैं और मेरी बेटी हम दोनों बहुत डिप्रेशन में चले गए थे, तो मुझको ऐसा लगा कि कुछ तो चाहिए। तो मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी शीतल, वो जैन है, तो मैंने बोला शीतल ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे योगा करना है। तो फिर उसने मुझे हम मजगांव में रहते, तो उसने अपनी फ्रेंड का नंबर दिया, कृतिका मैम का। तो मैंने उनको फ़ोन किया और मैं 3 साल से योगा कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत बेनिफिट मिला है मुझे। हाँ, मुझे बहुत बेनिफिट मिला है।
सर, आप बताइए, आप कितने सालों से योगा कर रहे हो, और ये जो ऐसे इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं, इंटरनेशनल योगा डे, जो कि इस साल 10वां इंटरनेशनल योगा डे है, इसका महत्व आप कैसे देखते हो पूरे?
हम लोगों ने जब से मोदी जी ने जो 3 साल पहले जो किया था कि पूरा विश्व योगा करे और फिट रहिए, उसी के हिसाब से हमने भी ये सब योगा चालू कर दिया मोदी जी के हिसाब से। और आज वो भी मोदी जी के हिसाब से जो भी अभी हम भी फिट है, पूरा योगा करते करते एकदम ठीक है।
सर, योगा करने से आपके लाइफ में, आपके फिजिकल और मेंटल हेल्थ में, जैसे मैम ने कहा कि उनके मेंटल हेल्थ में काफ़ी फ़र्क आया, वैसे आपके लाइफ में योगा करने के बाद से कुछ फ़र्क आया फिजिकल हेल्थ में?
यस, मैं लगभग 1979 45 ईयर्स पहले से योगा कर रहा हूँ। मैं जब स्कूल में पढ़ता था तो मेरे पीटी टीचर थे, उन्होंने मेरे को योगा सिखाया था और मैं स्कूल के अंदर प्रेयर में 400 लोगों को योगा करवाता था। उसी दिन से मैं योगा करता हूँ और योगा करने से आज 40 साल से वॉक और योगा कर रहा हूँ और इससे मेरा हेल्थ और मेरा बॉडी फिटनेस, आज तक मैंने कोई टैबलेट मेडिसिन बाटला कोई दवाई नहीं ली और मैं मेरे हिसाब लाइफ स्टाइल से जी रहा हूँ। और रात को फर्स्ट क्लास 10:30 को नींद आ जाती है और 6 बजे मैं उठ के वॉकिंग में और योगा के लिए चौपाटी पे आ जाता हूँ और 8 बजे टी और ब्रेकफास्ट घर पे जाके करता हूँ और इससे मेरे को हेल्थ में एकदम वेल सेट है, नो मेडिसिन और एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास नींद और नो माइंड डिप्रेशन होता है।
ओके सर, आप बताइए कि अभी पिछले कुछ सालों से जैसे ही योगा इंटरनेशनल स्टेज तक पहुंचा है, वैसे इंडिया भर में, खास करके मुंबई में स्पेसिफिकली, क्या आपको लगता है कि जागरूकता फैली है योगा के बारे में? ज़्यादा लोग योगा करने में इंटरेस्टेड हो गए?
एब्सोल्युटली, जैसे कि आज ही आप देख रहे होंगे कि काफ़ी लोग लगभग 1000 से भी ज़्यादा लोग आके यहाँ पे योगा कर रहे थे। मैंने खुद आज ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन हाइब्रिड ट्रेनिंग ली थी जिसमें लगभग 50 लोग जुड़ गए थे। तो काफ़ी अवेयरनेस बढ़ रहा है, काफ़ी लोग योगा कर रहे हैं, अपना रहे हैं। जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि मेडिसिन फ्री लाइफ जी रहे हैं, तो योगा हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में बहुत ज़रूरी है। ये मैं मानता हूँ।
There are hundreds of people here who've been here since morning, and they talk about the impact that yoga and other physical activities have had not only on their physical health but also on their mental health, and that was one of the key points that was told by the instructors, the physical and the oral instructors of yoga, to the people, several benefits of yoga. Self-exploration was a key word in which people talked about the different kinds of improvements that can be brought into their lifestyle using yoga. There were several doctors, and of course the star attraction, as I said before, Jackie Shroff also went on to speak about about the physical well-being and the importance of activity on a daily basis, and how that impacts lives of Mumbaikars as well. There are other parts of the city as well where yoga has been conducted at the moment. BMC has taken an initiative in this regard as well.
Right, we also have Ishika joining us. Ishika, we did see Ashnavi Vaishnav, participating in the Yoga Day celebrations at the Lodi Garden. Take us through what's happening in Delhi as far as yoga celebrations are concerned.
Good.
Well, you've already seen, Prime Minister Modi performing yoga and then all the cabinet ministers as well. But let me tell you that the rest of the Delhi is just as enthusiastic. I'll ask my camera person to show you the visuals from here. Divya, this is a weekday. This is a Friday, and you can see the peace on these people's, faces as they are doing the yoga. I'll first go across to the one who's actually instructing all of these people to the yoga. Ma'am, it looks like you have been doing yoga for many years. What is your message today for all the people who are doing yoga at home?
My message is that yoga is really precious. It's a beautiful gift of the divine to us, and it not only keeps our body healthy but our mind, our emotions in balance, and also it leads us to the spiritual upliftment and connects us to divinity within us. So we get connected to our own self, and through that we get connected to the world, to the society, and when we start doing yoga, we start contributing to the world.
And your message to the people who are actually leading a very hectic life and they need some kind of peace?
For people who are leading hectic life, I'll tell them कि जितना ज़्यादा आप बिजी रहते हैं उतना ज़्यादा योग की ज़रूरत है. The more busy you are, the more you need yoga in your life, the more you need pranayams and meditation, because you need more energy than others, and pranayams can give you infinite energy because it connects you to the source within, and meditation is the ultimate relaxation, ultimate healing, and ultimate connection to divine.
So certainly you heard, the instructor as well saying that all those who are in fact leading a hectic life, they also need to do more yoga. In fact, we have Satish Upadhyay ji with us, the Vice Chairman of NDMC. Sir, this is the 10th Yoga Day. How do you see this, more and more people coming and participating today?
देश के लिए बहुत गौरव की बात है कि हम 10वां अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस मना रहे हैं और भारत ने ही विश्व को ये योग दिया है, और इसलिए ज़्यादा गौरव की बात है कि हमारी माइंड, बॉडी और सोल सबको एक करके हमको एक अनुशासन, एकाग्रता, और केवल हमारी स्वास्थ्य ही नहीं, हमारे जो मेंटल हेल्थ है उसको केवल योगा ही ठीक कर सकता है। हमको स्ट्रेस से, हमारी परेशानियों से और योगा को अपने जीवन का अंग बनाना चाहिए।
So certainly, Divya, you know, you heard the voices here. You heard, in fact, the peace in the voices, the peace on their faces that you can see. And here, certainly, this is the 10th Yoga Day that the India is today celebrating with the world. And with that here, certainly people saying that the people who are leading a hectic life, they need to do more of yoga to get away from the chaos of life. Over to you.
Jessica, just like the Prime Minister said about half an hour back, that yoga boosts productivity as well as positivity. So for all those, he's also got to say yoga has been incorporated in space training. Yoga is boosting tourism, generating jobs. It helps us connect us with ourselves and also boosts mental health. That is what the Prime Minister has gone on to talk about, the benefits of yoga. Of course, yoga has become a part of our daily life for millions of people, not just here in India, but also across the globe. He also spoke about the popularity of yoga and how global leaders also discuss yoga with him. So it is the Prime Minister there who is participating in the yoga celebrations in Srinagar inside the SKICC Convention Center amid tight security. We also have other people of the BJP performing and participating in the yoga celebrations, but also it was the Congress party that has gone on to react as far as the yoga celebrations are concerned. The Congress has gone on to put out a message on X saying that yoga, the comprehensive approach to a fulfilling life, is India's gift to the world. Nehru ji recognized its merits and made it a part of a national policy. So that is how even the Congress leaders there are marking the occasion. We have Tanishq joining us from Lucknow. Tanishq, yoga celebrations that were seen, we did see Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of the state, performing, as far as the yoga celebrations are concerned. We saw him doing yoga along with the Governor, Anandiben Patel, as well. And they spearheaded as far as the International Yoga Day celebrations are concerned at the Raj Bhavan early this morning.
Yes, of course, Divya, today, of course, the International Yoga Day. And if I talk about Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, along with Governor Anandiben Patel, was at the Raj Bhavan. Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya took part in the Yoga Day in Prayagraj, and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh was in Mathura. So, of course, people of Lucknow also participated in the Yoga Day. But now, since everybody has come out for the breakfast, I would like to speak to one of the yoga instructors here and the people who performed yoga. Aapka naam?
My name is Manjari Pandey.
How important do you think yoga is, and why this should be? Why it is important to celebrate International Yoga Day?
When we will celebrate, then everybody will be following it. इसके पहले जो है, अभी तक जब सेलिब्रेशन नहीं होता था, तब तक योगा हर कोई नहीं करता था. जब से हमने इसको इंटरनेशनल योगा डे बनाया है, तब से सब लोग कर रहे हैं. इट इज़ नॉट अ डे, इट इज़ अ फेस्टिवल फॉर ऑल. एवरीबडी इन एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, एवरीबडी इज सेलिब्रेटिंग दिस योगा डे एट द सेम टाइम, परफॉर्मिंग द सेम सीक्वेंस ऑफ योगासन्स.
आपने कितने लोग, हाउ मेनी पीपल वर पार्टिसिपेटेड विथ यू? कहाँ पे आपने?
अभी मैं तो कैथीड्रल स्कूल लखनऊ की हूँ, और अभी कम से कम 125 बच्चे थे और 18-19 टीचर्स थे. और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि हमारे प्रिंसिपल फादर पॉल कोरिया वो भी वहाँ पर थे, और उनकी मोटिवेशन से ही हम सब लोग जो है वहाँ पर आए और योगा किया, और हम सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा.
You see young people also being interested in yoga, taking part, or no? That's a challenge.
Yes, young people are also coming, and old people, they are doing for their health benefit, but young people, they also understand the value of yoga and what are the advantages and what are the benefits of yoga. That is what everybody is doing. अब हम ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि कोई नहीं कर रहा है, हर कोई योगा कर रहा है, चाहे वो किसी भी समाज से आता हो, चाहे वो छोटा हो, बड़ा हो, या मिडल एज्ड हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, या थर्ड जेंडर ऑफ द सोसाइटी, दे आर ऑल्सो सेलिब्रेटिंग दिस. मतलब इट इज़ अ फेस्टिवल, सो वी हैव कम हियर टू सेलिब्रेट ऑल्सो. सो योगा के बाद हम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं अपनी चाय के साथ.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. आप लोगों ने भी किया. आपको क्या कहना है योगा?
हाँ, हम मैम की गाइडेंस में ही किया, एंड इट वाज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस, एंड इट इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड आई थिंक एवरीबडी शुड बी गिविंग इट अ शॉट फॉर श्योर.
इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
Actually, yoga is very helpful for stress. That we know that we have a hectic life right nowadays, and
that's very important. People, in big cities, बहुत hectic life हो जाती है. What do you have to say?
It's not a small thing, but it's exercise for mental, spiritual and physical health. So it's very important, I think, now because today we have so stressful life. So to get rid of that, yoga is very important. Thank you.
It's very important. Do you have to say something, ma'am?
Yes, of course. It's not only just about a day, but then we should bring it into practice, and it should be a lifestyle. It should be a part of your life. Only then it is going to show efforts. And otherwise, it's of course a day dedicated to it, which is in itself a very good initiative taken up by the government. So I would promote that everybody should be like conscious about their well-being, their wellness.
They should include in the lifestyle. Yes. So this should not be celebrated in one day. A lot of people believe that yoga should be a lifestyle. Yes, Divya.
Absolutely, Tanish. Beyond physical benefits, yoga supports mental well-being by reducing stress, improving concentration, and promoting mental clarity with breathing exercises and meditation, helping in managing anxiety and depression. Of course, spiritually, yoga fosters inner peace and self-awareness, guiding people towards a deeper connection with themselves. So yoga is a practice that brings harmony between the body and the mind. It has its roots in ancient India and gives physical power, provides mental balance, gives emotional stability to meet the challenges of life even in today's world. So those are the benefits of yoga. There you can see the Prime Minister there in Srinagar at the SKICC, the convention center there, wrapping up the participating as far as the participation of the yoga celebration on the 10th International Yoga Day is concerned. The Prime Minister has just been practicing yoga for the last half an hour. We did hear him talk about the benefits of yoga, how yoga has benefited people across the globe, how many people have been involved. He spoke about how it all began in 2014 when he made that proposal at the United Nations, and it was the Prime Minister who said that 177 countries came in support of India to celebrate International Yoga Day.